Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1095 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to be trying out another $1 ShopMissA product. This is the AOA Studio Lip Oil Gloss and I picked this up in the shade Rose. This only cost me $1 and like I said, it's from the ShopMissA website. And this is pretty high rated on the ShopMissA website, which makes me even more excited to try it out. And it comes in argan, rose, cocoa butter, aloe, and coconut. So all really nourishing sounding flavors, I guess you could call them. But this is supposed to be softening, nourishing, conditioning. It's cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic. It's free from parabens, phthalates, alcohol, mineral oil, formaldehydes, and silicones. I'm always looking for nourishing products for my chapped, dry lips. And if I can find a $1 product that's really great for my dry lips, then that is perfect. And I have found some really great $1 lip products from ShopMissA. Ooh, right away I noticed that really nice rose scent. Oh, love that. I love when my lip products have a really nice smell to them. And so my lips right now are desperately chapped. So let's see what this does. Sorry, Dexter is, per usual, barking in the background of my videos. I will say that rose scent is pretty strong. So if you're someone that doesn't like strong scents, the smell might bother you. It doesn't really bother me, but this is really pretty. It has such high shine. It's completely clear, but because it's so shiny, it's really enhancing to the lips, but it's so quick and easy to throw on. So it's a great lip gloss to just throw in my bag, keep by my workstation before Zoom meetings. And I like the texture of it. I would say it's more gloss than oil, but it's not sticky. And it is so hydrating, like immediately relieving to my chapped lips. Like my lips are completely hydrated right now. They look smoothed out, they look juicy, they look moisturized. And this is exactly what I want in my nourishing, hydrating lip products, because sometimes, you know, expensive lip products I have tried out on my channel that just don't immediately relieve and moisturize my chapped lips. But this $1 product does exactly what I'm looking for. It's like it deeply hydrated and got rid of my chapped lips. And I just love finding inexpensive makeup products that perform so well, that can save you money in your makeup collection. And I am so excited that this is the perfect lip gloss, chapped lips relieving product for only $1. And it's a nice big tube, like this will last me a while. I really want to try it out in all of those flavors because they all sound so good. I just feel like I can't stop looking at my lips in the mirror because they look like completely different lips from the beginning of this video, where my lips were so dry and cracked and uncomfortable. And now this is just ideal, smooth, hydrated, with that flattering sheen. So I love this. I highly recommend it if you have chapped lips like I do, or if you just want a beautiful, shiny lip gloss. For only $1, I think you would not be disappointed with this. And if you have tried this out, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I especially want to know if you've tried any of the other flavors, what your thoughts are, if you would recommend any of them, because I'm going to be putting my list together for my next ShopMissA haul. So I'll definitely be adding this to my list because this is seriously like my go-to perfect lip product for my chapped lips. Like I'm so excited that my lips are not chapped anymore. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.